To make and receive phone calls with Sonnet 3, make sure Sonnet 3 is switched on. Check that Sonnet 3 is paired with your mobile device and that a Bluetooth connection is established. To make a phone call, proceed as you normally would on your mobile phone. The sound you hear from your phone will be automatically streamed to Sonnet 3. Communicate with your conversation partner by speaking into your phone's microphone. To receive a phone call, simply accept the call on your phone. To change the level of sound you hear from Sonnet 3, adjust the volume on your mobile device.